Hello, and welcome back to Let's Play Strategic Command. We just took Washington on the last. I did like a short video about it, very short, because I thought it was going to be like a whole video. I said, I'm going to go to bed after I take Washington, and I took Washington, so then I went to bed. Let's see here. Okay. So, I'm going to finish up that turn. Alright. Yes. Oh good, this cavalry unit survived. I was actually quite worried about him. Not so much that I didn't sleep, but still. Alright, so now I want to reduce this pocket here. Let's see, you got partisans. And, If I do this, get them both off. Alright. Cut him off here. Nice. And hold on. Oh good, this guy's even gone yet. I know I'd probably better get that division because he can threaten my guy there, but I do want to actually destroy some of these, and I probably wouldn't be able to destroy that one. Oh. I say as I lose my chance to destroy that guy. Alright then. Alright. Reinforce. Should have actually done here. Gonna put him in position to move by rail. If other places I need him to go. Let's see. Nothing. We'll do that though. Sorry, I realized I was accidentally touching my mic there. No doubt he's up to something. Wow, look at all this. Oh, hold on. I knew there was something like that. Come on. Really? Alright then. That is awesome. Ah. Do I want to do this? No, not like that for this for sure. I don't think that was such a smart idea in retrospect. Well, that went well. Okay, I have my feigned retreat here. I'll completely cut them off. So let's see. San Jacinto, that was where we, well, not we, the Texas independence movement defeated Mexican General Antonio Lopez de Santa Anna. They surprised him, though they were basically asleep or resting. And Lopez was in his tent with his young mistress. Good times. All right. Okay, we almost got him there. Debating whether to send him further away towards. So here's what I do. Back to my little pet project here. And the reason I sent that other cavalry up here was just to cut their rail supply for 1 or 2 turns at least. Alright, how do I want to handle this guy? Oh, that was a mistake. Oh, shoot. Yeah, this was a bad idea. Do I dare do that? Yeah, I have to. I don't have to, but yeah. Oh, I can't move out of there because I need that city, or I'm totally cut off. Yeah, that was not a good couple, moves on that front right there. Oh. And there was that. Okay, I think I need more coffee this morning. Alrighty, let's see. How are we with research? Okay, good. Okay, Aaron, seriously, no cane, right? You need to buy some navy so you can take Britain all the way home here. I'm actually gonna break with tradition and put Lee in Tennessee because I need another general there. Actually, I'm going to be a bit OCD about this and put Johnston, A.S. Johnston in Tennessee, as was historically the case, and then Lee be in Virginia, sir. Alright. Now, that was one thing about Lee is he was always too focused only on Virginia and not what was good for the Confederacy as a whole. Sorry, I'm some bottled water there. Let's see. Right. Perfect. Can we totally... I don't think we can totally cut them off. But... yeah, I'll see what their supply is next turn. Right now it's 5 and 4. So... we'll see how we do on that. Well, let's see. No, wait. Don't want him to get cut off, certainly. Alright, another ironclad. Stonewall. And a monitor. I'm not messing around here. Ooh. No, you gotta get a monitor. Monitor. Fine. Alright. Confederates celebrate the capture of. So they usually move it to Philadelphia. Well, one or two times I've taken Washington, they moved to Philadelphia, but now they moved to New York, and no, I'm not pursuing them to New York. Ah, century of French rule over Vietnam. Okay, interesting. You know, it's interesting about Vietnam. They actually like us now. Actually, this is not how I know. I'm not basing it on this. I knew this before, but like when I lived in China, actually for a little while, dated a Vietnamese girl, and they actually like us, and it was for the two reasons I guessed. Oh, nice. One is that cut them good. One is, well, they won the war because I mean we devastated that country. I mean, 2 million Vietnamese died. A lot of them, the number of them civilians, and that's a huge percentage of their country. And 60,000 Americans died. Just one moment. And you know, we dropped Agent Orange and so forth on there, which is not an energy drink. It's a horrific chemical. You know, one of my mom's friends, her husband, still has serious health effects to this day because he was a pilot who had dropped Agent Orange. So imagine if it was that harmful to the person dropping it, imagine what it did to the people on the receiving end. But anyway, Vietnamese, but the other reason they like us is they really, really don't like China. And that goes back over 1,000 years. So it's kind of the end. I mean, you know, yeah. All right, here. So, I think I forgot to move those two near in west near the Mississippi last turn. All right, I'll have to make sure not to make that mistake again. So, once I finish reducing that pocket around Washington, I'm going to transfer some massive forces to Tennessee and drive them and try to trap and destroy as much of that army there as possible. Or the bare minimum, get them more than 4 hexes from Washington, so I can try to get that bonus back. Once my ironclads arrive, I'm going to try to try to keep it at least one sea lane open per turn so the British can, so I can increase the British mobilization. Maybe I shouldn't have. I did. Well, let's see if it was worth it. Ouch. I might lose that guy actually, but what it will do is maybe it won't. I was hoping to damage them so much that it would reduce the cost of attacking the entrenched positions, but they took that more easily than I thought they would. Oh, yikes. If they seize that mine before I arrive there in force, I could be totally cut off. Oh wow, that went a lot better than I thought it would. Alright, so once they repair those towns, then that supply line will be reopened. Yeah, so they've retaken Washington, but it will be with a very small force. One will be easily dispatched next turn. His invasion of Florida appears to be going swimmingly for him. Good for him. Or them, I should say. Just picturing some AI somewhere in the lawn stovepipe hat. Nice. What? How'd that happen? I haven't seen that one before, I don't think. I'll see about this. Oh, I had to check something real quick. Now I'm back. Alright, here. They have an entrenchment of 2. Let's focus on them. Nice. Oh, that didn't go as well. Man. No way, I wanted to... Unfortunately, he might take it again. Let me see if I can... Alright, here we go. This is better. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna just stand pat with that. Oh, they did destroy him, really? Okay. Alright. Him. Tempted to surround this guy, but I need to get down here to stop my army from being overrun. I mean, my brigade. Tempted to try to surround them, but I don't think I have the forces necessarily. And yeah, I think it's time to get heading on out. Alright, now, let's see. Here. And Houston is ours again. Alright. Debating if it's even worth bringing him down here, because take one, and let's do it. Yes. And I hope I'm not stuck there. I don't want to leave him vulnerable like that. Oh wait. I'm going to weaken him so it's maybe harder for him to mount a proper counterattack. All right, here we go. Getting closer. Almost there. Yes. Oh! I can still sort of do this, maybe. We'll see. Oh, we get core organization experiment. Okay, so I won't spend too much money. Wow, I have 2 divisions I need to replace. Alright, I'll just replace these 2. That's it. Oh. Clock, okay. Oh, right, I still have things to do here, don't I? No. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, come on. Ooh. Alright, now how much supply damage did I do by? Not much. No, I don't. I need to, well, now he's in danger of. Let's see. I want to get him back safely. There we go. Very nice. Alright. Good work, boys. Alright, I have you. Why have I been waiting so long to do that? I don't know. Really? Wow. I expected better. I won't lie, I expected better. Finally. Alright. That's it for now. Should have saved a bit more actually. You move Skyward back to New York. I'll pass. Wow, look at their fighting spirit. Look how low it is. Oh, I forgot to attack that ship, darn it. Man, income is a lot lower this turn. Buy some river ironclads, like now. I forgot to reinforce them. Oops. Gotta focus more on that. Ouch. Uh-oh. Oh, man. In trouble there. Alright. I'm worried they're gonna try to flood New Orleans. Let me think here. If I send maybe a division or even out of desperation a corps, sometimes those can be effective against those river ironclads. That's exactly what I was afraid they would do. Alright. Hopefully that fort can at least take one or two off. Then maybe my timberclads can force them to at least move back one or two. Alright. Man. It's a tough fight of this. I need to finish off that pocket in Washington, so because I need to have some reinforcements there. Yes, I probably overcommitted in Mexico, but we'll see. Actually, it's not New Mexico, Arizona, I mean. Indianola, yeah, that your ironclad force is really worrying me. Great. Traitors, yes, I'm saying that ironically, since I'm the one seceding. What did he say? I missed. I accidentally clicked past that. Probably warning me about the flood that might happen. Yeah, I think so. Oh man. Come on. Uh-oh. This is bad. I know that's a suicide. Yes, I did it! I just have to keep them there so I can. Alright, what I will do, but that was nothing more than a stay of execution at the moment. I'm going to put whole division here. And let's please finish this up. Really, that's it? Nice. No, 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 no. Turn it. Debating should. No, wait. No, I should reinforce. Alright, here we go. Let me upgrade these guys. Okay, how much can I move down here? See what the diplomats. See how much they reduced the support for us by. Okay, like not a lot, but still we haven't made much progress in spite of our. Yeah. Because, like I said, certain battlefield successes don't really matter to the British or the Europeans in general for whatever reason. No, that's right. Limited by that. Well, looks would be more like 2 rail moves, wouldn't it? Worth it to maybe make them worry. Let's start moving some men back to, let's see. Let's go. Okay, he's done. Reinforce him. There's something down there, so I'm gonna go like this. Alright. And I love doing that. You know what? I am gonna send Lee. I know. I just wasted. I should have placed him there in the first place, but. Damn, it's just see a spot from there so I could move the gun forward. Alright. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I should upgrade here. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to purchase all the core this time that I would want to. In fact, I can't even do half of them. Alright. Rosecrans. Deal with him. Good practice for my cavalry. Let's see. No, I need to get him over there now. Let's see. Let's see. What do I have coming on the pike here? July, August, I have a few more divisions coming. Alright. Let's make things a little bit difficult for him. Yes. I was hoping to take that. Alright. Oh, sorry. I knocked my headphones off. Alright, now. Nicely done. Let's see. Yikes. Alright, we'll head back here for a bit. Oh shoot, I was gonna buy a river ironclad. I can actually afford it. Should have bought more, but, well. Yes. Won't cut them off, they'll give me a supply base from which I can more easily get at his lines of communication. Okay, now, alright, let's see now. Oh, well, jeez. Yes, we needed that. We needed that. Why is our income down? It was like, seemed like we were getting like 1,300 earlier. If anyone knows, leave a message in the comments, please. I'm hoping he'll do something stupid so he doesn't. Yes! No! No! I'm back. Come on. Alright, well. Looking quite bad for New Orleans right now. Oh no. Yeah. That fort actually is quite useful. and quite a lot of inconveniences and even some casualties at times, if I remember correctly.